Check in. Alright. Update. Sorry for not having a shirt, people, but things kinda hectic in the night, yeah. Update me again. Me no do no work on the under today. Yeah, so it's an update. Me no do no work at all today on the under. This morning me get up and from me get up, me dey on the road I do ads. Me do ads for the whole day today. But me still come home and do some work, but me have to show you what me really do. And me not really going into details, but I late now. Right now about 10 o'clock. Yeah. And me try get some things sorted out. A whole heap of little things me try fix. Fix things with some of the things them with the under. And the small sound. Whole heap of little something. Me I show you what I want. This now. I don't know if you can see, but see a small sound look. No rail on the top. No back bumper. None of the little fin them not up on the roof. No visor up on the side. Yeah. It a go in a body shop. So right now. No, babe, boy key there for your car. Car key come. I did me lock up in. All my phone all are dead. I can't turn on the light on my phone. My phone are dead. So still I gotta try. I'm gonna see what I go on tonight. Bear with the lighting. The lighting kinda weak in the night because my phone dead. Babe, come give me some light around there, sir. Yeah, you shine the light on my video. Come, give me light. Alright, people. See condition. No seat, no door cover. No seat, no door cover. No ceiling. No sound. Nothing. Empty car. See back bumper there. So tomorrow morning when we drive out this. Babe, take up the clock there tight. Tomorrow morning when we drive out this. Straight in our body workshop it a go. Straight in our body workshop. So yeah. I problem I have. See them there? Rotten spot in our roof. Hole in our roof. Yeah, me tired of them the sitting there now. Me I'll strip off some of my sticker them off right. Me I'll strip off all sticker, everything. Yeah. See some more rotten spot the way I have. Look. Them there. All of them are half right. So tomorrow me I carry go to body shop. So that's why that me spend the whole night and I strip down. Me spend the whole night and I take off everything off right. Yeah. Lock up. Good. What alarm there? Me no hear. Oh, whoa. Alright, good. So that. Yes or no? So we are gonna start operate on this. My wire in the tweeter them already sawed up them, the wire up them there. Don't want to step on the side iron, you know. If me step on the side iron, I'll put on my slippers. Me gonna have a very unhappy night. Tired. Can't go to bed tired, you know. And then tired and I feel pain, you know. Just go to bed tired alone. So I put in them speaker here now. Them speaker here almost want to look like EV. Anybody have an idea what them speaker here name? Wanna tell me? I don't know is what. If a Celestian or a what. I don't know. Then have a look like EV. The frame. I know EV. I'm sure it's not EV. Because I know EV. I don't know what be an EV name. But they have a look like EV. So anybody have an idea what they name? Just comment and tell me what you think them speaker your name. Give you a closer look. The back of them gone, but I don't know. Two of them are the same thing. So I'm going to wire them in our box now and get that out of the way. Hopefully in a tomorrow video. Yeah. If you don't subscribe to the channel. Yeah, do the right thing. But hopefully in a tomorrow video, I'm supposed to play a song. Tomorrow. I get up early, carry the guy body shop, come home back and operate on this. And people, look out for some video with the boss, because me get a call and the man say he want me check on some things on the bus and do some retuning on the bus. So look out for some video with the pink bus. Yeah, pink bus. I come back to your channel. Don't know anything. But this supposed to play tomorrow. That I go away tomorrow. This me I gotta take off the top box off of it. But my cover I like, you know. Yeah, me I gotta take off the top box off of the carrier. Because me I gotta go and drive up and down. It's gonna be my daily driver for a while. So I can't daily driver with the big box. I gotta use the box them off a small car on the big sound. So look for that too. I gotta change up that. I want to tell you say tomorrow I want to do all of that, you know. All of that I want to do tomorrow. I want to send with that. Play sound in this. Take off the top box off of that. Yo! Why? I think today I did one hard day, but tomorrow gonna be one next hard day, same way. But stay tuned. Stay tuned, people. Let me fit up the box and show you what I want still. Alright, people. See settings there. Phone up on 5%. See settings there. See a look? Yeah. The grill make a speaker have a look behind you know, but I grill really I give you that blur look there. But that tie box done wire up and everything, so only thing left to do with the paint. Play. When the play box left to play. Yeah. Box one wipe off still enough fingerprint and set up on it. But I hate that. Move into the car. So tomorrow show you what I'm going on. So see processing unit them there up there, so now watch you untidy this wire, you know, because I'm not done run jack wire. I'm not even done pushing the preamp them either. Cause I have to run out all the jack wire them, play, tune it, get it to where I want it, and then I clean up here and make it look neat. Yeah, tidy it up. So that's tomorrow. So now look out for the video there tomorrow when I play the song. Tomorrow I'm going to play the bass box there in the corner right there. So see bass box here. So this is bass box. 115 kicker. Yeah. So stay tuned for them video there tomorrow. Tomorrow under play. Tomorrow. No later than tomorrow. Feel like tomorrow I give back your own night too. I have to do what I do. Stay tuned, do your right thing, subscribe, click the notification, like, share. I'm out.